Hi guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to pull your files into Garment Creator and set up a print file. The job we're going to be working on first today is this 18628. So we're going to open up Garment Creator. I do have this already set up, but for video purposes we're going to set this up from the beginning. So we're going to go File, Open, CB Orders 18628. We're going to open up the full back here, so we're just dragging and dropping. And as you can see, you can probably gang up more than one here. So we're going to double click your image. We're going to go over here to duplicate, and that's going to create one more for you. So if you drag and drop here, we're just trying to maximize our sheet. And we want to make sure everything is within the limits there. All right. We're going to hit OK. And there's one step here that we have to do. So we're going to go into Layout, and we're going to flip this mirror image here. Then from Print Settings, we're going to use DTF Standard. That's going to print the color and then the white on top, and that's it. So right here we're going to say we want one of these. We're going to hit print. It's going to send it to the printer, and we will be back with the next steps. Alright, so our file has been sent over for printing. A good double check is to click this down arrow, and that'll show you a small version of what you're going to be printing. I've taken a sheet here, so these are the sheets. We're just going to slide one out face up. This will be the printing side. And then the next step we have here is just to tape down your edges so we don't get any movement with the sheet. We are kind of under a fan here at the moment, so a good habit to get into is just to tape down the sheet there. And we're going to hit print, and we'll be back. Hi guys, we're back with the next step in the process. So after your print has completed, we're going to take this sheet and we're going to carefully transfer it over to our shaker here. So I just set that sheet in there on these two knobs. We like to start shaking before we add the adhesive. So this here, you want to hit on, shake it, and then we're going to use this lever here, kind of push some adhesive down on this. All right, and we'll be back with the next step. Alright guys, next step in the process is we took our sheet from here, we put it into our oven, print side up, making sure that this button is clicked. That's your timer. Everything else should be set up. We have this at 160 for 60 seconds. We're going to close the lid. We're going to turn on this little filter, and we wait for 60 seconds, and then we move on to our press. Thank you. So our timer has went off. I just want to show you what this should look like, kind of an orange peely look. So that is what we're looking for. Now we are good to press it. Thank you. Hey guys, Christina again. Just showing you how we bring our image into the ProPlace software here. So it is a cloud-based program. So you just go to your Chrome, you open it. I have this pinned here to the top, so you can do the same for yours. All you're going to do is you're going to say upload image. You're going to grab the PNG of your image and import it. And then one other thing to note is our grid system here, these little squares are set to be 1 inch. So if your art needs to be 4 inches down, you can adjust your art there. The next thing we want to do is click this icon here, and that's gonna cast your image to your platen. and you should be good to go. We have our heat press set here to 315 at 50 with 15 seconds. That's for both presses. And we also have our sheet here for texture. And that's it. Thank you. Hi guys, Christina here again, just showing you the heat press part of this. So that has been pressed once. Hot peel, so we're just going to peel that off. Hit our little foot pedal down here. Go in for the post press. Excuse my video skills here. You have to press these two buttons at the same time. So after that's done, we're going to take it over here, we're going to fold it up, and we're going to package it. Thank you.